The World Antimicrobial Awareness Week, which is being celebrated annually from 18 to 24 November, is to raise global awareness on antimicrobial resistance and promote best practices to reduce the emergence and spread of drug-resistant infections.
This year's World Antimicrobial Awareness Week is actually trying to see that they brought together everybody, all the stakeholders concerned, to see that we prevent the problem that can arise from the inappropriate use of this antimicrobial agent, which is antimicrobial resistance. We all have to work together to see that we stop and curb the problem of antimicrobial resistance, because it's a great threat to our lives.
Antimicrobials are drugs that are used against a wide range of pathogens, which include antibiotics, antivirals, antiparasitic agents, as well as antifungal agents. They are agents which are used against microbes, which are agents that cause diseases and infections in humans and animals. Nowadays, constant use of these antimicrobial agents has become a practice of the day by many individuals, as sometimes being prescribed by drug vendors and all other health personnel.
These agents, they are used against diseases, infectious diseases in humans. So by our own practice, most individuals, because they know that they are being used against infections, if they develop one or another form of disease, they will go and then get them and then use them, whether there is the appropriate indication or not. And then these agents are also being used by some people in the agriculture for animal growing, especially fisheries, to enhance the growth. It was also used in animals to enhance growth and development of those animals.
During the activity to mark this year's Antimicrobial Awareness Week at the Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University Teaching Hospital in Bauchi, the need has been stressed for all hands to be on deck in order to achieve the desired objectives.
Apart from having all the stakeholders on the same page working against development of antimicrobial resistance and then the subsequent spread, we also need legislation. We need the policy makers to also be with us in this fight, because we need controls, administrative controls. These antimicrobial agents should not be available over the counter. There are certain things that should be based on prescription, should be based on authorization. But like in Nigeria, most of these agents can actually be obtained from nearby pharmacy stores without actually any regulation. Once you get the money to get them, then you have them, but they should not be like that.
The theme for this year's World Antimicrobial Awareness Week is preventing antimicrobial resistance together, which is the problem that may arise following inappropriate use of these agents. Awol Hassan, Viewer TV News, Bauchi.